Today we are going to discuss back exercise of chapter 6. So open page number 73 and you must have your pencil with you so that you can write the answer. Jayant, Japnoor, Malik, Ayant, Tripti, switch on your video. Gargi, Jayant, Jasur, Kishav, Madhav, Dhruv, Gupta, Ruchit, Dev, Angad, Pushkaran, Sanchita, just do on your videos. Okay, so if it is question.
And page number 73.
So I will cover maximum students today. I will ask you. So those students who want to propose, they will raise their hands. और जो रेस नहीं करते हैं उनसे भी पूछना है. Okay, Uchit. Okay. Yes, lovely. Unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, read. First question is the correct answer. It is the MCQ type question. You are given a statement and some options. You have to identify that which of these options goes best with the statement. Okay? So lovely, read the statement.
A very cold habitat among the following is desert, sea, mountain, forest. Ma'am,
Your answer. Lovely, what is your answer?
Ma'am, mountain.
Mountain. I have got answers in the chat box also. Angel ने तो सारे ही लिखे हैं. Yes, very good. So answer is mountain. Very cold habitat among the following. Cold habitat जहाँ पे ठंड रहती है, ठीक है. डेजर्ट में वार्म क्लाइमेट होता है, वार्म होता है. फॉरेस्ट मॉडरेट होते हैं, गर्म भी नहीं होते, ठंडे भी नहीं होते. सी तो वाटर ही है, ओके. एंड माउंटेन्स, माउंटेन्स आर कोल्डेस्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ द अमंग. ओके. Okay, Angel, read the next one. Angel, read the second one.
मैम आपने मेरा नाम लिया है.
Yes, yes, Angel. Read the second one.
The body covering of an animal helps it to live in a habitat.
Body covering of an animal helps it to. Body covering जो cover है body का. How it helps an animal? Answer is option C, live in a habitat. ठीक है. Option A cannot be the answer because body covering doesn't help any animal to get the food, no neither to breed. ठीक है. तो option is C. The correct answer is C. Live in a habitat. Okay, Shrishti, read third.
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, third one is the thorny scales of the body of reptiles help them in A. Hiding, B. Preventing water loss, C. Meter with the surroundings, and D. Running from predators. So answer is B. And preventing water loss.
Preventing water loss. Horny scales, तो बहुत horny से बहुत tough, बहुत ही dry से scales होते हैं reptiles की body पे. वो क्या help करते हैं उनको? Preventing water loss, क्योंकि उनकी body से water loss ना हो, उससे वो prevent करते हैं, बचाते हैं. Okay? Bhumika, read the next one.
Insects breathe through their
Fourth, insects breathe through their gills, skin, lungs, spiracles, and the answer is spiracles.
Yes, insects breathe through their spiracles. Gills कौन यूज करता है? Fish. Lungs करते हैं mammals. skin करते हैं frog when in water. Okay, insects use spiracle. Ayan, read the next one. Ayan,
A genuine animal among the following is squirrel, rat, rabbit, all of them, and the answer is all of them.
yes, it is gnawing. G is silent. Okay, gnawing animals. What are gnawing animals? Can anybody explain what are gnawing animals? Yes, Yajat.
Ma'am, animals that nibble their food are called gnawing animals, which are rodents.
Yes, rodents, they have very sharp incisors. The front two teeth are very sharp. They nibble their food. These animals are called rodents. So all of these are rodents here. Okay. So just Noor and mute yourself and read the next. Next is fill in the blanks.
Good morning, ma'am. First blank. Dash animals become active during night. At night.
Answer. Which is your answer?
Ma'am, desert.
Just Noor, speak again. Your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, desert.
Desert. Yes. Desert animals.
Ma'am, desert.
Yes, desert animals become active during night because it is very hot in the desert during daytime. So most of the animals जो floor पे रहते हैं, forest floor पे mainly, so they come out in the night. Okay. Next, Sparsh.
A dash provides home to many animals, and the answer is forest.
Yes. A dash provides home to many animals. Forest is the habitat which provides the home to a number of animals, a huge number of animals. Okay. Kamakshi, you read the next one.
Yes, ma'am. Dash helps an organism to survive in its habitat. Adaptations.
Yes, adaptation. It is a feature that helps organism to survive in its habitat. Okay. This is a definition of adaptation also. Okay, Japjeet, read the next one.
Dash are the breathing organs for insects. Spiracles.
Spiracles. Answer is spiracles. Spiracles are air holes which are present on the body of insects, and insects breathe through those air holes. Okay. Yes, Manobar, read the next one.
Frogs use their dash to swim, webbed and feet.
And तो लिखा ही नहीं बीच में कहीं पे. And कहाँ लिखा है? Webbed feet is the answer. Okay, this is the single blank. Frogs use their webbed feet to swim. Okay, frog के webbed feet होते हैं, उनकी help से वो water में swim करते हैं, and when they are on land, they hop with the help of their feet. Okay. Okay. Now, Ridhavan, read the next one. Ridhavan.
Ma'am, can I leave and join? Ma'am, I'm having network issue. Ma'am, your voice is also cracking and I am having network issues.
Ridhavan, read
Can
the
I leave and
sixth
join
one.
once?
Sixth one.
Ma'am, can I leave and join once?
Ridhavan, I'm able to
I'm
listen
having
to you.
network.
I'm able to hear you. You can read the sixth sentence.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
One, I'm saying we all are able to listen to you. Your voice is very clear. You can read the sixth sentence.
एक्सक्यूज मी अनु मैम
Yeah, ma'am.
मैम वैसे वैसे प्रॉपर समझ आ रही है सारी मैम कभी कभी किसी टाइम हो जाता है ना थोड़ा नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है बट ज्यादा
Ma'am, can I leave and join once?
And then by the time I will ask some other student. Akashdeep.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read the next sentence.
Ma'am, can you tell ma'am which sentence?
Akashdeep, you should know you are present in class. You should know which sentence we are doing. Okay, Saad. Read that one. Switch on your video.
Yes. Snakes constrict and expand to move.
Yes, snakes expand and contract their body to move. Expand मतलब फैलना, contract मतलब सिकुड़ जाना. तो उनकी body scales जो है उनको help करते हैं इस चीज में. Contract and expand. निबंध फिफ्थ का आंसर है webbed feet. I will send the answer key also. Okay, in the homework you can match from there also because I don't know what spellings you are writing, so you can match your spellings from there. Okay. Yes, Ridwan, you can leave and join. Leave the class and rejoin. If you face any network issue, you can leave the class and rejoin. Okay, so next is match the following. Bhumika Mani.
First, forest, terrestrial habitat.
Yes. First is forest. Forest को किससे match करोगे आप? Terrestrial habitat because forest is the land. It is a terrestrial habitat. Okay. Next, Kunjal.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, next is molting snake.
Kunjal, molding is नहीं है. Molding नहीं कर रहे हम. Okay, Sahaj, read the next one. Sahaj. सहज मैं आपको अनम्यूट करने के ऑप्शन दे रही हूँ. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड रीड द नेक्स्ट वर्ड.
मैडम जी.
He left the class. So he left class. बच्चे, I am sharing the link of attendance. 2 बार हो गया है. आप अटेंडेंस भी साथ में जस्ट भेज.
मैम
अटेंडेंस.
मैम मेरी ना कभी कभी अटेंडेंस जाती नहीं है आपके पास.
मनोबल, जब आप गूगल फॉर्म फिल करते हो तो आपकी अटेंडेंस मेरे पास आ जाती है. Lakshya, you don't need to repost the link. Okay, let me ask now.
Ma'am, molting?
Yes.
Ma'am, it is snakes. Ma'am, molting We have to match it. Snakes.
Snakes undergo molting, but what is it?
Okay, you are saying what is molting? Definition of molting.
Yes, I do not read the definition from the book, Ridwan. Just explain me in
Okay.
simple words. What is molting? Just explain in the simple words.
Okay, ma'am, molting is the process by which a snake shed their skin
Yes.
periodically.
Yes, very good. It is a process by which snakes shed their skin. वो अपनी skin को उतार देते हैं after a fixed period of time. ठीक है, periodically. Okay, next. Is Keshav here in the class? Keshav Modgil. Keshav, unmute yourself, switch on your video, and read the next one. No, he is not there. Gargi, unmute yourself and read the next one. Prabhneet.
मैम आपने मुझे बोला
आप लोग तो बाकी तो बोल नहीं रहे. बोलो हरविंद, अब वीडियो ऑन करो.
Good morning, ma'am.
Who is this? बच्चे थोड़ा
Good
जल्दी
morning, ma'am.
हमें क्लास आज ये खत्म करना है. हाँ बोलो हरविंद, थोड़ा जल्दी.
मैं थर्ड का आंसर टर्म लॉन्ग माइग्रेशन.
Prabhneet, switch on your video. Prabhneet gave the answer. Arctic tern, longest migration. Arctic tern is the bird which makes the longest migration from Arctic Circle to Antarctic Circle. Okay. Avneet Kaur. Let's read the next one. Avneet.
Ma'am, fish, streamlined body, and marine animals.
Yes, streamlined body, marine animals. जो aquatic animals है, they have streamlined body. Okay. Okay, Jasleen Kaur. Bachche, unmute yourself and read the next. Next is state true or false. And if the statement is false, we have to correct it also. Yes, read the first sentence, Jasleen. Jasleen ने अपने आप को unmute फिर mute कर लिया. Gurleen.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, can you tell me which sentence?
आपको पता होना चाहिए हम कौन सा कर रहे हैं अब.
Ma'am, network issue किया.
True false का first sentence.
Mass movement of animal from one place to another in response to harsh climate conditions is adaptation. False.
And what is the correction? Gurleen, what is the correction here? Correction भी तो करनी है. Your answer is okay. It is false. And what is the correction? Why it is false?
Ma'am, यहाँ पर जो कहा है mass movement of animals from one place to another in response to health climate or adaptation. Ma'am, ये adaptation ही है.
तो ये क्या होता है? ये होती है माइग्रेशन. ये माइग्रेशन की डेफिनेशन है. तो जो अडेप्टेशन है उसको आप कट करके क्या लिखोगे? माइग्रेशन. ओके. स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इज विथ adaptation. Okay. Ayan, what do you want to say? Angel आइए. Angel आप बोल चुकी हो, सबको चांस देना है ना, सब बच्चे बोलेंगे. Okay, next Sanchita. Sanchita, unmute yourself and read the next one. Sanchita? No response. Dhruv? Dhruv, unmute yourself and give answer. Again, no response. Gushan?
मैम आपने मुझे कहा था.
नहीं,
मैम आपने मुझे कहा था.
नो जसपुर आपने नहीं बोला है. आदित्य? Navneet? These people just come to class and sit. Atharv Sharma? Neha? Shivansh? Jasjot? Ruchit?
Yes, ma'am.
Ruchit, put on your video and give answer of next statement.
Yes, ma'am. Animals living in forest have thick coat of fur. Ma'am, it is true.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, false.
False. And what is the correction?
Ma'am, correction नहीं पता.
Correction क्या है इसमें?
मैम ये पता नहीं चल रहा मुझे करेक्शन का.
Okay, the statement is false and the correction is forest. Animals living in the forest have thick coat of fur. This is wrong. Forest के animals की नहीं होती fur, इनकी होती है जो polar region में रहते हैं. ठीक है? Yes, Bhavik, you can write snowy region also, snowy region or polar region. So what you do? You will cut the forest and you will write polar regions.
Okay, ma'am.
Bhargavi, unmute yourself. Bhargavi?
Oceans and sea form the largest habitats.
Yes, answer.
Ma'am, true.
True. Be confident. Your answer is correct. Be confident. It is true. Ocean and marine forms the largest habitat because 3/4 of Earth का जो area है, 3/4 of Earth's area is covered with water. So it forms the largest habitat. Okay. Hiteshi, read the next one.
A frog breathes through its moist skin when in water and with its lung when on land. Answer is true.
Yes. When frog is in water, it breathes through its moist skin, and when it is on the land, it breathes through with its lungs. Okay. Lakshita, read the next one. Lakshita, are you there? Okay, Gurnas, read the next one. Gurnas.
हाँ आपने मुझे बोला.
गुरनाज को बोला है, गुरनाज. She is not unmuting herself. Okay. Kirat. Kirat.
Mosquito, ma'am, yes.
Yes, read.
Mosquitoes suck blood through their sharp needle-like mouth part. True.
Yes. मॉस्किटोज के पास एक माउथ उनके माउथ में नीडल जैसी शेप होती है with the help of which they suck blood. Okay. So your back exercise finishes here. I will send the answer key. You will match your answers again with the answer key. Okay. Now let's open page number 71. Concept check. Yes, Kunjal, read.
Yes, ma'am. Correct the underlying words. Omnivores have sharp pointed front teeth and strong jaws to tear flesh.
Yes. Correct the underlying words. Underline यहाँ पे क्या है? Omnivore. So what would be the correction?
Ma'am, carnivores.
Yes. So right here, carnivores. Nipant, read the next one.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Snakes and turtles gnaw the seeds and fruits with their sharp front teeth.
Switch on your video, Nipant. You cannot answer with your video off. Yes. Now tell me the correction.
Ma'am,
He doesn't know the answer. Misbah, give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Arctic terns come India every winter to breed.
Misbah, come closer to your device. आप बोल रहे हो हमारे तक आपकी आवाज नहीं पहुंच रही है, थोड़ा क्लोज आओ. हाँ.
Arctic terns come India every winter to breed. Ma'am,
निबंध ने आंसर नहीं किया.
okay, ma'am. Snakes and turtles gnaw the seeds and fruits with their sharp front teeth. Snakes and turtles को cut करके, ma'am, we can write rat, rabbit, and squirrels.
Yes, rat. You can write rat and rabbit or squirrels भी लिख सकते हो. Okay, so these are the animals that know their food. Okay. Okay, Bhavik, read the next one.
Ma'am, Arctic terns come India every winter to breed.
Yes. What is the correction?
Ma'am, Siberian cranes.
Yes, the answer is Siberian crane. Siberian crane comes India every to breed. यहाँ पे cranes लिखो, भी कम लिखा है ना. Siberian crane come to India every winter to breed. Okay? Japanese. Japanese is not responding. Bhavneet. Bhavneet, are you there? Okay, Avni. Avni.
Birds.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, please.
birds like sparrow and pigeon have wings, but they cannot fly due to their small size. Ma'am, sparrow and pigeon को काट के आने ostrich and emu and small cut करके big.
Yes. So the sentence would be birds like ostrich and emu have wings, but they cannot fly due to their big size. Okay. Done. Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. The concept checks which are on page number 64 and 67 that can be discussed on Saturday. Okay. We have 3.5 minutes. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
मैम
Excuse me, ma'am.
क्या था कॉन्सेप्ट चेक में?
First का
मैम फोर्थ
fourth Fourth में birds like ostrich and emu have wings but they cannot fly due to their big size.
मैम इसी क्वेश्चन में मैम ईमू और पेंगुइन
Isda, come closer to your device.
मैम इसी क्वेश्चन में ईमू और पेंगुइन भी आ सकता है ना?
Yes, kiwi भी लिख सकते हो, kiwi and emu.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Noor,
मैम थर्ड मैम कॉन्सेप्ट चेक में मैम थर्ड वाले का आंसर क्या है?
Siberian pigs. No, you will not write definitions in the notebook. Angel, you will not write definitions in the notebook. Definitions are there in the book. You will learn them from the book only. Okay? They are not to be written. Yes. Any other doubt? Prabhamit? Prabhamit, unmute yourself and ask your doubt.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बोलो प्रभमीत.
मैम हमारे एक्सरसाइज में फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स पर जो 6 का आंसर क्या है?
एक्सपैंड एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. ये मैं आंसर की सेंड करूंगी, आप वहां से भी मैच कर सकते हो.
ओके मैम.
एनीथिंग एल्स? एनीथिंग एल्स?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
यस.
मैम जो हमारे ट्रू फॉल्स का सेकंड वाला है, एनिमल्स लिविंग इन फॉरेस्ट हैव थिक कोट ऑफ फर, तो मैम वहां पर तो फॉल्स आया, तो मैम हम फॉरेस्ट के बजाय पोलर रीजन एंड स्नोई रीजन लिख सकते हैं ना?
You either write polar regions or snowy regions. Okay?
ओके मैम.
Because
ये जो
yes. Bhavik, do you have any doubt?
मैम यस मैम जो 67 पेज पे कॉन्सेप्ट चेक है मैम, उसके फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स के फर्स्ट का आंसर क्या है?
Bhavik, we will discuss it on Saturday. Okay? Then you can match answer. We will discuss it. Anybody else? Okay, so you revise this chapter very carefully. Okay, your chapter finishes here. Complete your notebook and we will meet on Saturday now. Okay, bye everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is this?